You know, I'm done. They will not hire me for $6-7 race car at all.
You're the star. Cigar no speed. Star. Star material. Celebrity.
Open sesame. And here we are, the C7 Corvette with the doors up. What's up, everyone? It's your boy C Gonna Speed 252, and I want to thank all of you for pushing that play button. Did you just see that tent where the orange C7 Corvette was? And that same exact tent where you're going to see an arrow, red arrow, pointed right there on the screen is where the C8 mid-engine Corvette will be located. That tent is Chevrolet's tent. Now, I don't know it's going to be exactly in that same exact spot, but when you get to Corvette and Carlisle this Thursday, look for Chevrolet tent, and you will see at least 6 C8 mid-engine Corvette there. Now, I can't tell you exactly what color, but I was told that there's supposed to be some C8 mid-engine Corvettes there, and I was told there's supposed to be a total of 6. You know, this event is one of the best events you can attend. As you can see here, the footage behind me is actually the Corvette and Carlisle from last year. And I just wanted to kind of put this video back up there so you can all have an indication of how big and how popular this event is. I mean, I literally waited for this event all year because I can't tell you how much fun I had at this event. You know, I met a lot of you, a lot of followers, and at that time, I think when I went to this event, I had about 2,000 followers on my YouTube channel, and you know, we have grown over that time, and now look, we at 11,000 followers. So you know, thank you all for subscribing, and we have a big old family right now, and let's continue to grow. But you know, this event was so much fun. There were so many activities. There were so many things to do. There were so many vendors. As we're speaking right now, you see right in front of us, a Corvette is doing a burnout. This event is dedicated to anyone who wants to join in and actually do a burnout. And they pretty much indicated this event is whoever does the longest burnout pretty much wins. There was 3 or 4 people that actually got into this event, and it was pretty fun. It was nice to see, and it was something different. You know, you just see a bunch of cars doing different things, and that is not the only thing that they have going on at Corvette and Carlisle. If there are anything that you need for your Corvette in general, as far as any parts and accessories, there's vendors there for every single thing. If you are a huge Corvette fan, this is a must-attend event. I am so serious. Like, I can't even get my words out. That's how so excited I am about this event coming up in the next few days here. It goes on, like I said, from Thursday to Sunday. I think Thursday through Saturday, the time is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then on Sunday, it's pretty much like 9 to 12, just to kind of wrap things up. So I'm planning to be there with a couple of buddies of mine, Mike, Justin, JT, and D. We're all sharing the same tent, the same location near the food court. Definitely come check us out. I'm super excited to see these guys again. You know, we only get to see each other so many times a year, and we just greatly appreciate being able to spend this quality time with each other, and then also spend it all with you all. Like, for everyone that comes out of Corvette and Carlisle, you should definitely come over to our tent and check us out, and just let's talk. Let's talk about the C8. Let's talk about the C7. Let's just talk. You know, I'm just really excited to see each and every one of you, and you know, you all are the reason why we all do this is because we enjoy meeting good people and just having great conversations. And you know, even at this event last year, I met a lot of followers over the time, and we can talk about how much time we had at Corvette and Carlisle and the things we did and the things we talked about, and I became great friends with them till this day. So, like I said before, I really greatly appreciate each and all of you. I appreciate your support on the channel. I appreciate like everything you literally have done. Leaving your comments down below, watching the ads, watching the video, sharing them as much as you possibly can. And I know some of you haven't had a chance to see the C8 mid-engine Corvette in person. This is the time to see it. I mean, I'm telling you right now, It is a great car to see in person. I can't explain to you how much this car will look when you actually sit in person for yourself. I mean, like I said before, I've seen it numerous times, and you're definitely going to have an amazing time at this event. Even if you want to come out for one day, come out for one day for maybe, 5 hours, get a chance to meet a lot of people outside of the YouTube world, inside of the YouTube world, and just be here and have a great time. So I just pretty much want to give an update on Corvette and Carlisle, which, like I said before, is this Thursday through Sunday. And then 2 days after that, I will be at the National Corvette Museum, sitting out front with the C7 Corvette, waiting to see more of you that aren't able to make it to Corvette and Carlisle. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. And like I said before, this is the footage from the previous Corvette and Carlisle last year. And, leave your comments down below. Tell me what you excited to see at Corvette and Carlisle this year. I appreciate it.
What's that? I know. Well, hello there.
Thank you.
Okay, check out your YouTube site.
Yes, please do. Here's a card. You can have it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Let me have another one. Thanks, brother.
So I bought this brand new myself, so everything that's done so I can tell you.